Try this trick. Take the Ladyfingers out of the packaging. Place a layer of Ladyfingers in the springform pan. Crack a few eggs into the saucepan placed on the heat. Add sugar. Vanilla sugar. Mix a little with the whisk. Add starch. Pour in a little milk. Mix with the whisk until smooth. Pour in more milk. Boil the cream, stirring continuously until it thickens. Cool to room temperature. Add cream cheese to the cooled cream and mix until smooth. Place a layer of cream in the pan. Level the layer of cream with the spatula. Break dark chocolate into the glass. Pour coffee into the glass with chocolate. Mix until the chocolate melts. Whip the cream until it becomes foam. Fill the glass with whipped cream. Decorate with melted dark chocolate. Grate dark chocolate. Cover the layer of cream with Ladyfingers and chill the cake for 3 hours. I bet it's the simplest cake recipe you've ever tried.